Yes, I'm Cisco. Yes, I'm Ebert, and you're getting 2 thumbs up. Hey YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, the influenza has taken over. So we're just gonna do a nice, fun little quick unboxing of my Ipsy! Because, yes, we're wearing no makeup because I have no will to do that. I now work at a school, so this is my punishment. The amount of effort. I learned something new. I learned there's an Influenza A, an Influenza B, and an Influenza C. Luckily I didn't come in 3rd place, but I didn't come in 1st. I have Influenza B. That was a lot of effort. It's making me sweat just doing this. All right. Can you feel the love? So it's looking like the theme is feel the love. So I better be feeling hearts fly out of this thing because I've been feeling a little lax in the love department. Just kidding. No, Kyle's been great taking care of me while I have had no will to live. Let's see what we got. We have a Belle and Argent Auteur Matte lipstick in 3 plays. All right, so it's looking like we got a lipstick. And you know what? I actually got one of these lipsticks in a previous Ipsy, and it was a color that's like super dark and it's a little difficult to wear. But it looks like this is like a nudie color. That's actually really pretty. And the packaging's really cool. Look at that. So that would look cool on my vanity, but you know, it is a repeat product. Different color, but repeat. I'm weird about that. This is the bag that came with the Ultimate, and they used to get bigger bags. Like this is like a teeny regular Ipsy bag. This isn't like an Ultimate bag. So next we have the famous of the good old subscription boxes, Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. It's got a little sticker on it, so let's open it. Let's try this. So this is interesting. You pull it out, it has a big wand, I guess, like a... Okay, so it looks like Tarte Shape Tape in a squeegee tube. That's interesting. Oh. This has a strange, it's like not liquidy, but it's not cream. Am I crazy? It just seems like a thick, it's an interesting texture, but it looks a little orange for me. It looks like it might oxidize a little bit, and it feels a little tiny bit almost tacky and drying. So we'll have to test that out, but it could just be my clammy skin right now. So this is actually what I chose when we were allowed to open to choose, as if that makes any sense. When selection took place, I chose the Dominique Cosmetics, what is this, the Sweater Weather or eyeshadow palette. I just thought it was really cute. It has this little sweater pattern on it. And we got a Dominique Cosmetics palette before, and I was really excited to try these out. And these colors actually looked like pretty muted and pretty. I actually think the packaging on this is really nice, but I mean, I just swatched the color Toasty. It felt a little grainy. Wait a minute. I haven't swatched the color Fuzzy, and it looks like there's a finger swatch in it. Did someone else swatch this palette? Weird. Well, now I'm gonna touch it. I love like mauve-y colors, so I feel like this will be a nice muted mauve-y purpley palette. No, oh, I forgot. Ipsy doesn't tell you how much things cost. Next we have this super fancy looking packaging. Is this me being invited to the royal family since Meghan and Harry left? I don't want to like destroy it. Look how nice this looks. Vegan, cruelty-free, so it's brushes probably. Yup. So we have a nice set of brushes that came in this envelope. Looks like we have this little blender brush, little eyeshadow brush. This looks like a little bit of a concealer brush. these, and these are really soft. I like the packaging. I love, oh my gosh, and the handles. They are matte black studded. That's pretty cool. I'm sure you guys have heard this 400 times, because now we have a flat top. But I love getting brushes because I am a makeup artist and they go right into my kit, because you can never have too many brushes because you'll spend so much time cleaning, whereas opposed if you just have 5 blender brushes and 5 this, you can just filter them in and out. Last but not least, we have sheet masks. It looks like we have a beet and vitamin A. We have a kale and vitamin B and a ginger and vitamin C. Now, I'm going to be a bad person here. I don't like sheet masks. I don't know what it is about them on my face that just gives me this weird feeling. I just don't like it. I don't like the feeling of them sliding down my face. I mean, I think maybe I do. I feel kind of luxurious, but I don't know, something about them sliding down my face creeps me out a little bit. So that's my box. I thought it was a very variety box. In terms of Valentine's Day, you got brushes, a lipstick. I was disappointed in the bag. Like, usually you get a nicer bag in Ipsy. I just feel like I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed at this point with how many Ipsys and BoxyCharms there are. Like, it used to be that I got both Ipsys and both BoxyCharms, but now there's like 70 Ipsys and 70 BoxyCharms. I'm sticking with just the ones I have, but it's getting crazy. But I did like what I had in my box. I would say it's about a 7 out of 10. I really enjoyed the brushes. I mean, it's a nice colored lipstick, and I will try the foundation, and I do think that it's a pretty eyeshadow palette. I mean, it shows it. So that was my Ipsy. I hope you guys enjoy it and you have a fantastic rest of your week. Plant videos will be back soon once I'm able to like live my life and not feel like poo. So thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, guys.